Standard 10. Welcome back again. Yet another session of the history. So today in our topic we'll be dealing about with the UN, its establishment, its major objectives. So to begin with, we'll start off with no period of human history has been free of wars. It is the greatest curse of international society, and man has constantly been in the search of means to prevent such wars. One of the alterations that is considered is international organization, and the establishment of the League of Nations in 1919 after the First World War was the first effort in this direction. However, the League of Nations, which was set up with an objective to put an end to wars, failed to prevent the Second World War, which broke out in 1939 and finally came to an end in 1945. The desire of the nations for lasting peace in the world was the major reason for the establishment of the United Nations, and therefore many conferences were held, many delegates from different nations came to chalk out and plan how to prevent the scourge of war, and finally they came up with an organization called the United Nations Organization, and which was officially formed and came into existence on 24th October 1945. Now after this they have said what were the preamble to the UN Charter. The UN Charter describes the preamble of the United Nations. That is, So the preamble of the UN Charter reads as follows: We, the people of the United Nations, determine to save the succeeding generations from the scourge of war, which twice in our lifetime has brought untold sorrow to mankind, and to reaffirm faith in fundamental human rights in the dignity and worth of the nation. So this is the UN Charter. According to the UN Charter, the preamble of the United Nations as I read as before. Now what were the major reason or what were the purpose of setting up the UN? So I have just highlighted the four major reasons for setting up the United Nations. The first one is the failure of the League of Nations. Now, the League of Nations failed to check the acts of aggression of the 1930s, so it was felt a strong organization was needed to check the aggression. Second, the untold horrors of war. The untold horrors and widespread destruction caused by the Second World War led to nations wanting to set up an organization which was strong enough to settle disputes and avoid the war. So that was the second point. Now coming up to the third point, the fear of nuclear war. The atom bombs used in the Second World War had made people realize the destructive power of the nuclear weapons. A nuclear war could lead to the end of our civilization. So it was a feeling that a nuclear war would end to the civilization. Therefore, an international organization was needed to stop such wars in future. Therefore, the main aim of setting up the United Nations was to prevent the happening of another nuclear war. Then finally, we have the mutual suspicion. So the mutual suspicion between the different nations would eventually lead to arm race. Thus, the leaders wanted to build a durable organization which would bring a feeling of peace and security in the minds of people. So therefore, it was necessary to keeping this thing in mind, the purpose of the UN to set up. So these were the major purposes of setting up the UN. Clear? Now we move up with what were the major objectives of the UN. The next topic of our discussion would be the major objectives behind setting up the UN. So I have summarized the three important points of or three important aims or objectives of the UN. That is, first one, to maintain international peace and security. That means to take effective collective measures for the prevention and removal of threat to peace. That means which are to take effective and collective measures for the prevention and removal of threat to peace. That is to maintain international peace and security in the world. Secondly, to develop the friendly relations among the nations. That means to develop the friendly relations among nations based on respect for principle of equal rights and self-determination, and to strengthen the world peace. So this was another motive behind forming of the United Nations. Finally, to achieve international cooperation, solving international problems of an economic, social, cultural, respecting the human rights and for the fundamental freedom without the distinction as to race, caste, language, religion or color. So these were the major objectives behind setting up the United Nations. And so finally, the UN Charter declared the forming of the United Nations, and it officially came into existence on 24th October 1945. So today we have the main setting of the UN and the purpose and the major objectives of the UN. Coming up next will be the major organs of the UN, their functions and their relevance to the present world. Till then, take care of yourself. God bless you.